पीछे आओ ना यार.
अरे काय क्या कर रहा है?
भूमी look center.
या थोड़ा फोन भाई थोड़ा फोन.
भूमी center.
राइट
मैम right side.
भूमि जी राइट.
भूमी center. नहीं मिला. अरे भूमी जी आइए.
बाइट. यहाँ पे भूमि जी से आप रहा.
भूमी जी अभी
बाइट.
भाई रुक जा. अभी सही है. पोडियम पे आइए. ज़्यादा आईने खाने करूँ तो इस बार फिट नहीं होना है. PTI करती है तू ऊपर की समझ.
हम बाइट सर बाइट. आवाज दो. मैम सर बाइट. लाइट.
Hello.
अरे
Is also coming and then we start. Okay.
कर लेते ना अभी. मैम फाइट कर लेते ना.
अभी 2 मिनट में शुरू करें. जसप्रीत आएंगे फिर शुरू करेंगे. भूमि जी.
चलो पूछो यार.
स्नैपचैट बना रहे हैं.
भूमि जी
कैमरा सेंटर.
जलते हैं मशीन.
चलो ज्वाइन करेगा. रोल मैम रोल.
भूमि जी को सपोर्ट कर रहा है.
ज्वाइन कर लेंगे मैम. आदमी कर लेंगे ना.
Spectacular show. What a spectacular show. And we have just featured the heads at the top. Just speak a little bit about today, nothing, association. Amit, then a little bit about your collection. We'd love to know what you're wearing, what you like about it.
I think we'll start with the designer and then we'll come to, because it's his stage. So, no, please. No. Why don't you?
Thank you. Overwhelmed right now, but I think, Noor, like you rightly said, a great show is a combination of a lot of greats that come together to make something exciting. I think right from the platform of FDCI and Lakme coming together, joining forces with a brand like Nothing, which is of course a pioneer in technology, and an iconic person like Bhumi, epitomizing the age-old textile Banarsi, but yet giving it her own life and spin to it. I think today really closes this show on a very wonderful note. Thank you, Jasprit. I always tell you, I'm indebted to your support. I can do what I do with your love, and Bhumi, for reviving and loving a textile that's always been loved, but to give it a new lease of life, just like every single act, every single character you portrayed and breathed another life into it, today shall always be an indelible memory.
Oh, so, actually one of the phones actually, fell close to, we have some international guests who came in today. Okay, one of the phones fell close to them, okay, and they spent half the time looking at the phone and wondering what beautiful design this is, as they spent, looking at your, show as well. I think, Amit, you always push the boundaries of what we call fashion, okay, and certainly, this collaboration is something that we thought was an organic fit. In fact, just for your reference, with the Nothing team, we didn't have a conversation to say it would be X designer versus Y designer versus Z designer. It was you, because I think your design and what Nothing stands for, and Nothing 3 is, with this beautiful glyph design is something that, you know, where the design aesthetics marry as well. You know, I think the work that you've done in technology with your clothing, sometimes it's just impossible to understand how you put all of this together. You know, and that's something that, you know, whenever there are brands that look for people who are going forward in fashion and technology, I think that becomes a great, you know, let's say marriage, and we are glad we have enabled that. You know, we'll speak a little more about the collaboration, but I think first we'll just hear from Bhumi, who's always fantastic. I think one of the things that we love about Bhumi is that generally when we have a conversation around sustainability, okay, it's not a force fit. She genuinely believes in it. She's supported us with the Circular Design Challenge in the past, and we always appreciate having her here. So, you know, maybe you can just put in a few words about Amit, what you felt, okay, and yeah.
Well, good evening, everyone. I just want to start by saying that I'm a fan of your work. I remember the first time I wore something created by you. It was this beautiful metallic gown, and I was like, this is so incredible. I was like, this is so new, this is so disruptive. And Amit, I think it was so phenomenal. What I'm wearing today is this beautiful corset made out of repurposed Banarasi saris. I am a huge champion of sustainable fashion. I love thrifting, I love vintage, and what I love about what you are trying to do is that you're trying to revive textile and you're trying to put it into everyday clothes. And I loved what you did with the collection. I feel like what I'm wearing today is an extension of me. It's powerful, it's sexy, it's feminine, and makes you feel like I can take over the world. And thank you so much. LFW, congratulations. It's going to be a big year, 25 years. And I remember as a child, I'd be so enamored by all your fashion events. And I feel really cool that, you know, I've gotten multiple chances to be a part of it. So congratulations. And thank you so much for making me a part of your show today. It was so special.
You know, so the concept of what Nothing wanted to bring was also technical warmth. You know, so there is this emotion that you see with Amit's clothes, right? And you know, it's the seamless blend of emotion and technology. And I think that's what the phone does as well. You know, I think, you know, from us as Fashion Week, sometimes, you know, the collaboration doesn't seem as though, you know, it comes together well. But I think even what was presented today was, you know, whether it was, you know, the design philosophy, everything just came together absolutely well. And we are very glad, you know, to have both of you here, you know, today, and we'll open it up for a few questions as well.
Okay. भूमि जी, सबसे पहले आप अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए, कैसा है आउटफिट और लैक्मे फैशन वीक को इतना खास क्या बनाता है?
I think 25 साल हो गए हैं लैक्मे फैशन वीक के. It's truly a milestone year for them, and I'm really thrilled कि उनके 25वें साल में मैंने अमित के साथ collaborate किया. I'm a very big fan of his work. He genuinely is very disruptive in his thinking. और मुझे आज जो मैंने पहना एक beautiful corset with it. I love the styling as well. I have to tell you this. I love how you guys have put it together. This corset, ये repurposed बनारसी साड़ी का बना हुआ corset है, जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool लगता है. I think whatever work अमित ने अपनी बनारसी साड़ियों के साथ किया है, it's always been a standout. Every piece has been spoken about so much, and I'm very confident this one would be spoken about as well. And I think the world is going towards sustainable fashion, and he really epitomizes it.
Thank you.
भूमि जी, फोन के उसमें और आपने उसमें क्या सिमिलरिटी दिखती है?
हाँ?
फोन नथिंग के फोन के उसमें ये डिज़ाइन की गई है, तो आपको क्या सिमिलरिटी दिखती है उसमें आपने और नथिंग के फोन में?
I think वो भी एक बहुत ही डिस्ट्रप्टिव डिज़ाइनर, मैं भी एक डिस्ट्रप्टिव इंसान हूँ. I think that would be the similarity.
I think, can I answer for you?
Please.
I think एक फ़ोन का काम ये होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू दो इंसानों को जोड़े. I think Bhumi does that beautifully. I think through her skill, which is I think a technical skill mixed with emotion, she brings I think the human race together, and I think that is the similarity I find between the phone and her. The color palette was of course a lot of neutrals in the collection because I think as a classic wardrobe you definitely cannot let go of neutrals from your wardrobe. But with of course definitely more festive colors that quintessentially work for the Indian skin tone. I think the aspect of the Banarsi which comes in heritage colors mixed with a lot of industrial material was the palette of the collection.
भूमि जी, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे तो अगर आपके फैशन की बात करें, आपके फिटनेस की बात करें, जो आपका कैरेक्टर था काफ़ी अलग था और आप जो देख रहे काफ़ी अलग ट्रांजिशन हुआ, तो इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? कितना ज़रूरी होता है लाइफ में एक ट्रांजिशन देना, क्योंकि काफ़ी आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका काफ़ी अलग ही चेंजेस आ गए।
मैम एक्चुअली मैं ना किरदार टू किरदार चेंज होती हूँ। हो सकता है अगले 6 महीनों में कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर आए जिसके लिए मैं ऐसी ना दिखूँ, तो आप इससे यूज टू मत होना। आई एम एन एक्टर फर्स्ट, मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैशनेट हूँ अबाउट व्हाट आई डू एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ इंटरनली नहीं एक्सटर्नली भी एक कैरेक्टर के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म करूँ। सो आई बिन लाइक दिस बिकॉज देयर वर 2 pieces ऑफ कॉन्टेंट दैट आई वाज डूइंग जहाँ पे वो किरदार ऐसा लगता था, तो इसलिए भूमि अभी ऐसी लग रही है, चेंज हो सकती है वो। थैंक यू।
मेरे हस्बैंड की मूवी तो हमने देख ली, आगे क्या आगे धमाका?
आगे रॉयल्स आ रहा है, आई डोंट थिंक डेट आउट है तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती।
हिंट दे दीजिए।
नहीं, वो जल्दी आ रहा है लेकिन। थैंक यू।
मैम ईद आ रही है, ईद की कोई विशेष दे दीजिए।
जी सबको बहुत बहुत बहुत
भाईजान
ज़्यादा
की
ईद
मूवी भी आ रही है
मुबारक।
सिकंदर।
जी हम सब बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं। थैंक यू।